Hi, I'm going to show you how to change a rule in a playbook mid-review because that might be necessary. So if you go to review, you go to review with Playbook, and here you'll see a load of custom playbooks. These are playbooks that I have created, and then also standard playbooks that come pre-baked with the Law Insider word add-in. I'm going to hit MSA here because that's the type of agreement that I'm reviewing here, and I'm going to start my review. And here what I'm seeing is the rules within the playbook, and what the tool's doing is it's assessing the language in this agreement, the content of this agreement, to assess whether the rules in the playbook are being complied with or not. So here, for example, it's telling me that the indemnity is not mutual. Just because we're here, I may as well show you what this does. So you just click on that and it will take you to the relevant part of the agreement, and then because I've said that I want the indemnity to be mutual, or that's the rule in the playbook, it's giving me language to rectify the agreement, which currently has a unilateral indemnity, to bring it into line with my rule. But say, for example, that's fine, but the next one, it says liability cap's too low. So I look at it and I say, I know that the liability cap here is 6 months, and that the rule in the playbook is 18 months, but I'm thinking actually I think 12 months is fair. So I go into the, let me show that again. I'll go into details here on the actual rule, and what happens is at the top it will tell me what the issue is, and then it will give me the actual playbook instructions. So this is the prompt that we have put into the playbook, since this is a pre-existing playbook, to do the thing that will execute on the rule, right? So what I do is I click edit here, and then I change this to 12. The agreement must limit each party's total liability to 12 months, fees paid or payable. And then I say, if a relevant clause exists but specifies a different cap, revise to reflect an 18 months. I'm going to change that to 12. And then I'm going to save and run. So this does not mess with the rest of my review. You may have gone through your review and sort of were umming and ahhing on this one and then decided to change the rule. It will just regenerate that the output based on the revised rule. So now it's telling me still the liability is caps too low, but as you can see, it's changed it from 12 to 18, the other way around, 18 to 12. And that change has been made, and so on. So you can go through the playbook, select the ones that you want to accept, select the ones that you want to amend, and insert any clauses that it's telling you are missing. And that's it, simple as that.